Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dead Island error code 0x1411. As per our research, the error comes when players try to join their friends in a co-op session. Many players have shared that they can join random players through Quick Join, but when they try to connect directly with friends, they get this error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network-related issues, privacy settings, or sometimes due to temporary server problems. The first thing you should check is your privacy settings. Simply try setting your session to the public and ask your friend to join. You can change this setting under the in-game options. If setting the session to public doesn't work, then try changing it to Friends Only. Some users have shared that setting it to Friends Only helped them connect and play without any issues. If you still see the error, then wait for a while and try again later. There were cases where players simply waited it out, and the error went away on its own. If the error still persists, then make sure the game is allowed through your firewall. If not, go to your firewall settings and allow the game, then try joining the session again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try verifying the game files. Simply go to your game launcher and find the game and verify its files. Once the verification is complete, check for the error again. If none of these steps works, then probably the issue is from the server side. In this case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.